What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, we're going to be doing a test on the performance of the LG Stylo 4 and the LG Q7 that we have on the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to push them to their limit. I'm going to be playing the games. I'm going to be turning on many things in the background at the same time. Let's see how well the phones can handle this. On the right hand side, you have the LG Q7 with a 4GB of RAM, while you have a 2GB of RAM on the LG Stylo 4. Alright, let's go ahead and open the games. Wow, interesting how they're both at the same time as well, by the way. This is the LG Stylo 4. Alright, it's pretty smooth. I'm loving it so far. Alright, now I'm playing on the LG Q7. Alright, let's go ahead and do another test. Let's install the benchmark on both phones. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go ahead and open both of them up. Install and test. Download. Keep an eye on the battery, how this is already going down to 23% and this is still on 26%. They both started at 30%. We've been doing the same thing and they have the same settings enabled on both phones. And the winner is the Stylo 4. Wow guys, we have our results and I am quite shocked. The LG Q7 is coming in at 68,931 overall, while the LG Stylo 4 is coming at 70,274. It defeats 17% of users, while the LG Q7 defeated only 16% of users. The reason I'm quite shocked is because this has 4 gigs of RAM in it. So the CPU came in at 34,815, while this came in at 34,270, so very close in terms of CPU. The GPU came in at 10%, 12,237, while this came in at 12,057, so even there was about 200 points off. The UX came in at 18,242, while the UX on the LG Q7, 18,318. The MEM on the LG Stylo 4 came in at 4,980, while this came in at 4,286. Honestly guys, I'm kind of disappointed. The reason is this is a $300 phone and this LG Stylo 4 is going for $179 right now at Metro after rebate. So I'm surprised that this 2 gigs of RAM on the Stylo 4 worked almost the same as the Q7. There was no lags. You guys seen when I was playing the games on it? Nothing lagged. They worked smoothly. Even the battery life, this is at 20%, this is at 23%. So if you really think about it, I really think the LG Stylo 4 is hands down the best phone at Metro right now. In terms of value, you really can't beat that. Bigger screen, stylus pen, much better battery life, and the performance is as good as the Q7. So my recommendation at the end of the day is stick with the Stylo 4. The only reason I might look into the Q7 is if I wanted better quality video and audio. But is that really worth another $100? That's up to you to choose. And not to mention, this is IPS68, water and dust resistant. So weigh your options. If the reason you wanted to upgrade to the Q7 was because of the performance, there you have it, guys. The LG Stylo 4 is as good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget I'm doing a giveaway. I have that down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.